Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm walking you through how to change your age on your Epic Games account in 2025. Handy if your date of birth was entered wrong or you're stuck with the cabin restriction. First, log into your Epic Games account on the website or launcher and head to account settings. If there is no option to edit your birthday, don't worry, it's normal. Epic removed that direct option to prevent misuse, especially after they introduced cabined accounts for younger users. Instead, you need to contact Epic support. Go to the Epic Games Help Center and create a ticket under Account Insecurity or Unable to Update Birthday. In your request, explain why you need the change, whether it's a typo or you over setting. Support will ask you to verify your identity, such as sending a photo ID or purchase receipts. When they approve the change, Epic may prompt you to log out and back in, or even reset your account's age info during login. Reddit users report that Guardian tickets often speeds things up if a child's account being updated. So the process is open a supported ticket, provide a verification, wait for an Epic to adjust your birthday, and then log back in. That's how will unlock the features and remove cabin restriction. And thanks for watching. If this helped you to update your Epic Games age, please like this video, leave your questions in the comment, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials and guides. See you in the next time.